Vacation! Greetings one and all TWF fans, Dick Thompson here reporting live from the underwater hotel complex at the amazing World of Thrills amusement park. I cannot believe the size of the arcade here, Dick Thompson. The amount of consoles for Space Invaders alone, Lance is still trying his luck against the local esports team. And how did that go?
So good, mind you. This was all I got, Dick. Look here.
Johnny Bells!
They're tickets, Colonel. We need a better gamer if we're going to win anything without bankrupting ourselves.
Don't look like those to me. He's a bad gamer. Like Corbata! All we need is his codes! You know how effective they are! On machines, yes, I'll give you that one, Colonel. But his cheat codes aren't invincible, him and the Survey didn't save him against Adam and Longcock.
Hey guys, good news! I did it! I finally won something!
Oh, Pony Plushie! How adorable! And My Little Pony Plushie and Twinkie Sparkle. Good job, Lance. We knew you could do it, pal.
So, thanks for involving that match with Adam Alarm Clock, Dick. That really takes us back. Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, for the mighty Dexteras, the Titan of Time, the King of Clocks, and the Punctual Pounder with all history on his side, Adam Alarm Clock!
The champion of time and the king of Chronos, Adam Alarm Clock is back to send his opponents back to the future.
He can do that without a DeLorean, too. He's a special case of a wrestler, I say. After narrowly missing out on a championship appearance last season, Adam's ready to go above and beyond to make up for this year.
If he knows how well the match will end, why doesn't he tell me? I want to know all secrets!
In this corner, for the slimy Sinistras, the only thing he matches more than Dexteras is controller buttons. He won't take game over for an answer. Corbata!
Former video game champion Corbata is back in the ring to mash Dextera heads like he does buttons.
The king of the combos and a remorseless hacker, possibly even the one who hacked my Los Angeles account recently, this Millennial Mauler's tactics are probably the only thing more immature than his demeanor.
You think you can take on me? LOL you! LOL forever!
See what I mean? Dexteras! Sinistras! Thumbs up, throwdown! Lock 'em up!
4, 3, 2, 1, who will be the strongest thumb? And away we go. The round begins with 5 head-high blows from Corbata, followed by a New York Knuckler from Adam Alarm Clock. New York Knuckler reminds me of Senior Prom! Alright, Alarm Clock, I better make this quick. A good tournament ornament later. Up, down, square, circle, awesome! And yet nothing happens. Explain that, millennial boy. Maybe it was up, down, circle, square. And Corbata forgets his own code. That's human error for you. And Adam Alarm Clock retaliates in full. Wow, you got skills! Did you even watch our season? Nah, going real boring after saying to Skullbeat Extremo again. That's the theme of all these matches. I'm sitting right here, you know. Corbata, opening at 3. Oh, that's smart. And the Longhawk takes a blow to the stomach at the end of round 1, while Corbata's teammates are undoubtedly plotting something sneaky. Not as sneaky as Colonel Corsac! I am so sneaky, I can look into any secret anywhere!
Oh, really?
Well, I know the secret questions for your LA Online account!
What?
Let's move on to round 2. Adam and Longhawk goes to the Murder Kicker. Before by Corbata with the Tech-Head Jumper. Corbata is a little insensitive to win the match. Wow! A Hyper Game Boy X! Yes! Get mashing his head in, showing technology is completely unbeatable!
Roar, I beg to differ.
And Corbata's use of the Hyper Game Boy Plus is really causing Animal Malcolm to beat himself up. Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself! A controller! Who just... You're welcome, Bozo! You gotta stop helping me like this, Amy! You wanna win or not? Ouch! Shut up! I'm the
Austrian Avalanche from Animal Arm Clock, and a skull-cracked triple reversal from Corbata.
This is crossing for the ages! Alright, alarm clock, prepare to be fragged! GG, loser! Up, down, down, left, right,
Cheat code! Corbata has used the cheat code!
Well, it's been illegal in TWF regulations for 6 years! Let me in there! I'll teach you to cheat! I'll teach all those slimy Tanisha to cheat!
Looks like you might be too late, Colonel. Animal Alarm Clock looks down for the count. But wait, who's that on the sidelines? It's Superstar and Wasabi! Come on, Adam, you can't lose now. We've got the answer to your problem.
Come over here, Adam, you pup. I have something to get your strength back up.
Whoa! The best poem ever from Wasabi! What's the meeting? I think I can do it. Oh, what?! The guy in that video game store said that cheat would be awesome! Are you kidding me? Well, this calls my nastiest cheat code yet. TTYO! Up, down, square, circle, cross, triangle, left, right, up, down, plus, minus! That's Dominican. Favors? Oh, what? The guy in the store said that cheat would be awesome! You want to see something really awesome, Corbata? Time to stop your clock! Animal Alarm Clock is going for the clock stopper! Tick-tock goes the clock! Cradle, increase stroke! Tick-tock goes the clock! Time to knock out this Sinistra! Mommy! What was that about? Technology being unbeatable, Bradenstein. Well, time travel outwits technology as Animal Alarm Clock scores the mighty Dexterous, the first win of the season!
Now that the match is done with, what was that about my account's secret questions, Colonel?
Try anything on our crucial! Colonel Cossack feels nothing! See you next time, folks!